4:30 a.m. Let's get going. All red. Well, fumbling for keys in the early morning. There you go. There she is. Let's get going. Back to the truck. Back at the old QT for a little bit of fuel. We were here about, what time is it? Yeah, 5 in the morning. We were here about 12 hours ago. Doing our 20K giveaway. Thank you everyone who has subscribed, liked, commented, all that good stuff. Really made the channel grow. It is a blessing to our family and we appreciate every one of you. Let's keep going, see where we can go, see what we can do. Of course, the monetizing is nice. We enjoy it. We, truck and wife, it all goes in her account, so we really appreciate it. Oh, let's see what we got. Oh, we gotta come all the way back. Container's leaving, and the other two have cones at them. Got a bunch of pull-up people. That's awesome. Alright, let's fuel. Let's get up to Dollar General. Well, there we go. $300 later. $315. Cool thing. Pump number 3. Cool thing about QT also is they give you you fill out this little paper and put your, well, I have a credit card with them too. Is they give you a pump start card so you can just go ahead and fuel and then pull up and walk inside. So we get they also have a really good breakfast pizza. We'll get some of that. All right, let's get it in. It's kind of crazy. We were just here. A little early morning, Lake Norman. Can't wait to get another house on this lake with all of our kids, my brother and me, and our 5 boys and 1 little girl. Told the story a billion times, but that's the lake I met truck and wife on 6 years ago. Pretty soon we'll be married 6 years, so a little over 6 years ago. We got married 3 days after meeting each other. Kind of crazy. Now we got 3 kids. I guess we go in 3s. But it's a beautiful lake. Thought I'd show it to you guys. Nice sunrise coming up. The sun's to our right over there, but it's a cool lake. This is where I met just truck and wife. On the good old Interneto Tinder app of all things. The old American flag out there on those Old Glory on the little barge of rocks. There's some big money up here, a lot of NASCAR. Penske's up here, I think all NASCAR's up here, but this is definitely their lake. There's some nice properties on the lake. We had a gorgeous house back 4th of July, 2014. But that's it though. I share with you, so I share with you. I'm gonna keep getting up 77, getting hungry, so I'll probably stop. I don't know where I'll stop. Grab some, grab a refill. Been going since I left good old Duncan, where I was picking up this load yesterday. And 20,000 subscribers. Can't say it again. I can't say it enough. But thank you so much, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video today, earlier from this one that we did yesterday at that Q&T. All right, let's keep climbing. I don't know what's going on, but there's a bunch of ambulances and fire trucks up there on the right. I don't know if everybody's rubbernecking and watching what's going on, but it's been about 5 or 10 minutes now. Rain just started about, I don't know, 10 miles back. So what happened? Is everyone just staring, or are they trying to get to the accident from up there? I have a sheriff right in front of me. He's just hanging out with me. today's video, we will do, of course, thanks to everyone for the 20,000 subscribers. Hope you enjoyed that video earlier. We truly appreciate it. But, well, there goes Sheriff. Or maybe he's going after that car that's just taking off. Ooh, oh, he might be going after that guy that's using the median up there. Didn't realize he went right past the Sheriff. Yikes. But, today's video, we'll just do, like, know your receiver, like Dollar General. That's who I'm receiving, or going to right now. My appointment's at 6 o'clock. Is he gonna get that guy up there? I don't know. Can't really see it. He went past him. Too much zoom. But Dollar General does not take you early. Like, they're very strict on their appointments. Like, it's an hour or half an hour before that appointment, they will check you in. So don't plan on getting there early. Did you hear that thunder? Lightning came quick. Don't plan on getting there early and getting unloaded. I've tried numerous times in South Atlanta, kind of by where, about 6 miles from Mega Diesel, where I get my truck work done. And I in-frame my engine, but never early. Never. What do we have? I want to say like a mini truck, like an S10 or a old Isuzu, but definitely facing the wrong direction. Let's see what we got. Sifting through the middle of the creek down in there. I think it's a minivan, a Dodge Caravan. Let's see what we got. Trying to pry the door open. No, it's like a little Ford Ranger. Spun out. Oh, they must have flown a bunch of stuff out of the bed because, yeah, they're like searching for stuff in the water. Yikes, guys. Uh-oh, she's yelling at him over there. Little Cavalier. And, yeah, nice Ford Ranger. Good job, guys. Right. Summer, spring break, whatever you want to call it, 2020. Don't go. Pay attention, guys. Stay off the gram. Stay off the TikTok. Who knows? Oh, about 170 miles left. And it is 1:45. Should be there about an hour early. First, we're gonna stop at the good old Sheetz. Get a quesarito, just to make trucking wife jealous. Because when I ordered it, she was so mad because she wanted one too after. I forgot what she got. What did she get? Yeah. These mountain ranges out here are so pretty. It's pretty much almost last stop before Virginia ends. I think. I'm not 100% sure. I don't know the exit number on this one. But we're getting close to getting out of Virginia. That is a long truck right there. Long sleeper on that thing. Studio sleeper. Tesla charging spots. Got 2 Teslas just charging up. Tesla 3. $1.99, good old Sheetz fuel. Not giving you the 50-cent markup like TA Petro and Love's. We give you a fuel card, we get you a better price. Why don't you just start with a great price to begin with? I don't have to sign up for a card. Alright, we don't need fuel, we don't want to block the island. Why is there a piece of a tree hanging out right there? So let's see if we can pull through. Yeah. Watch out for this guy. Where's he going? That's a pretty cool trailer. Moving trailer. I've never seen this place so empty, but sorry, dude in the Ram with the RV trailer. Arthur Werner Moving and Storage. It's a pretty cool trailer. Let's come in next to Schaefer. FedEx. Doubles. Alright, Schaefer. Mind if we hang out with you? Thank you. Oh, it's a Crete truck with a trainer. There you go. Let's go get a burrito. All right, power up mount. How long I've had you? Maybe 2 months? It's not cool. See if they have a warranty or something. It was only 20 bucks, but whatever. Still, I just tried to pull my phone off and this came with it. So, power up. Careful of that little ball back there. Right, exit 10, Friestown. A little Flying J over there. Probably get some sleep there after I drop this thing, if I got truck parking. Take a quick left and then a quick right. Never been here before, so we shall see. We got 0.7 miles on the left. Come to a couple little houses. Let's see where the trucks go. Right here. 78's right there to the right, so it's like the little frontage road. Where is truck entrance? Let's see what it says. Any signs for Dollar General? Apply today. Text Bethel to Dollar General. No, that's not what I want. I want your truck entrance. All trucks must turn left. I'm gonna say we go left. So it's deceiving, but it's all the way on the backside. For one, I hope this is, yeah, this has got to be truck entrance. This is it. A little bit far in the back. Truck drivers parking, all right. That's where we're trying to go. This place is huge. And we're about half an hour early, so we should be able to check in. Check in with God. Gotta put a mask on, and the speed limit is 7. Not 5, not 10, but 7. All right, so this is not where you go. She said, are you in live unload? And I said, yeah. She said, oh, wrong spot, other side. Awesome. Maybe put some signs up. I don't know. Well, now you know. If you watch this video and you deliver to, sorry, I got my mask on still. Deliver to Dollar General in Bethel, PA. This is not the entrance for live unload. So let's see if we can whip a U-turn right here. So here we go on the other side of the building. I don't know if I'm supposed to wait in line at this line or what. I think so. All right, we're checked in. Scary mask. Kind of a different process out here than it was in Atlanta, but same premises. But got to park down here. Everybody else, I was about 15 minutes early, but now I am like right on time, like a minute past 6. And she's like, just pull your truck straight up. So, like I said, get here because it has a bunch of signs right on the doors. Don't come up before your appointment. So. Dollar General, appointments only, so don't try and get unloaded early, unless you know somebody that works there maybe or something, but God bless. Here's Truck and Wash. I'll tell you a little bit about our giveaway, and I'll come right back to you.
Enter to win our GoPro Hero 8 giveaway this month. All you have to do is click the link in the description of all of our videos this month, and you can win. We do ask that you please subscribe. If you already are subscribed, please go to our Facebook page. It is just like the YouTube channel, Just Truckin', and like that, and maybe share one of our videos if you could. We appreciate all of you guys so much for all of your support, and without you guys, we wouldn't be able to do these awesome giveaways. Thanks, guys. Bye.
That is Truck and Wife. She is the brains behind this operation. All the proceeds go to her for this channel. Please like and subscribe, like she said. Hopefully you'll win that Hero 8 giveaway. If this Kenworth wasn't so loud. But yeah, thanks to everyone for the 20,000 subscribers, and know your receivers is the motto of the day. And I gotta find a new phone mount. I'm broke. Well, let's see what we get for Friday. I'm gonna get some sleep after I get this off the truck, and we will see you tomorrow. Well, that's not the end of the video. Looks like Uber Freight actually has a good load going up for $5 a mile tonight. So it's only 39 miles away from me. Go pick it up and get up there tomorrow morning. So CNS Wholesale, that might take a while to unload. So there's a city up there called Thompsonville. I heard it's pretty cool sightseeing. So probably check that out tomorrow morning. See what I can get into. Get a sandwich or something somewhere and do some sightseeing. But also, here's a little picture of little boys since we didn't see them all video. They found some kittens today. God bless. See you tomorrow.
So we're out here today and we find some kittens. I think they're probably gonna run when I get over here, but the boys are so excited. Oh, I can't believe they're letting them pet them. Yeah. Aren't they cute? Yeah.
They feel like a carpet, but so soft.
They're so soft. Look. Watch out, baby guy. Be careful, Bubba. Isn't that cute, Bubba? Look at this sweet kitten.
Can I go see the other ones?
I don't think the other ones want to come out and play yet. I think the other ones are a little scared. But that's okay. So we're out here and we see some kittens. And Kason is dead set on petting these little kittens. And we got one over here. You gonna give him some love? Isn't that a sweet kitten? The other one's back there a little bit scared, but that's all right. Now we have to go buy some cat food, don't we?
Yeah. And you know we also have donkey treats?
Those are kitty treats.
Wait, Mama.
Yeah.
They look like bombs. I'm gonna give this to the cats.
What is that?
It's your food. Yeah.
Is it the kitten treat? Oh, it's a sweet kitty.